Hello guys, today I'm going to dish jollof rice for my family today. My children love jollof rice so much. They like to eat jollof rice. That is why I prepared this delicious for them today. So come and join us for this delicious jollof rice today, and chicken.
Bleh, bleh.
And chicken. This is for
are going
you,
to eat jollof
boy.
rice.
Big boy, this is for you. This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Today,
Only you for this. Enjoy yourself.
enjoy yourself, baby boy.
What about for Blaine?
This is for my baby girl. Chicken. Enjoy
Wow,
yourself.
mommy, thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh my God.
Enjoy
People are really enjoying it. That's good. Hey. Kai, Blaze is just waiting. Hi, Blaze. What's up, you?
The last baby in the house.
Last baby in the house. I say hi.
The last baby in the house. I know that you love chicken so much. This is for you.
Mommy, thank you.
Wow.
For you. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
For the mama of the house.
This is for mommy, the mama in the house. This is for me.
You should eat and enjoy yourself.
This is chicken for mine. Oh. This is so delicious.
Very, very delicious. So nice.
So nice. So delicious.
Eat now, eat. Enjoy yourself. See my children. You know your mother don't like to. I don't like using spoon to eat food.
Bleh.
You understand?
Yes.
I don't like to use spoon. Me, for me. If you can use spoon, I enjoy it with my hand. Enjoy eating jollof rice with my hand.
Girl, eat now. You are enjoying your meal, right?
Baby, do you like it? Like my jollof rice? Do you like it? Like to eat it next time?
Blah, blah. Enjoyment.
But I need to come here and put more rice for you. Enough rice. We have enough rice here.
Thank you.
We have enough rice.